Many hours later, Mommy's bed. Yeah, we're jumping. Here is a pizza. Here, right here. And I love pizza. Oh, it's so cool. Just eat it right now. I'll teach you a lesson. Let's eat a pizza. No, let's go. Go. Chocolate cake! Yes, it's chocolate cake. One chocolate cake, two chocolate cake. I'm coming! Where's the third one? Oh, no. Oh, no. It will be bad. Can I come in? No, never come here. What? No, nothing is here. Oink, oink. Okay, I'll still living in. Sit in the kitchen. What is in the kitchen? Then sleep. Okay. You want me to sleep here? Yes, and do a magazine. And join a movie. Sailing across the sea. Wait, it's 3. How old is Mom? Right now. Oh, I tell you, she is 50. Wow, she's lost like me. Yes, it's true. She's actually a robot. Now let's eat and tell Mommy. See. I like sailing across the seas. Okay, so just sit here. Okay. Go! Wait outside. Or you're dead. Right now. That is cool. I like it. Ooh. Yay! Oh! Yay! Balloons! Hello, we're almost hand you over. That's so bad. It's like you broke your leg. But can I come in? Can I come in? No, don't come in. Why? Come in! Right now. Okay. Go. Close your eyes. Now go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, it's my bear. Yes, it's bear. Here. And you have an Xbox now. Oh, an Xbox. Yes, it's an Xbox. An Xbox. So cool. Now I can wear my Xbox. Oh, that's cool. Oink, oink. Now let's go in the Xbox. Okay, now we can go for a wedding. Yes! Oh, that's cool. Yay! Then go down now. Cause we hate tea. Oh yes.